I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select Gravitec. Give here your site URL. Also, give here the app key and app secret key. So go to the Gravitec dashboard. Setting. REST API. Now copy the app key and app secret, then paste it on the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your form. Submit it. Go to the Gravitec site and navigate to the campaign history. Here, the notification data came into the campaign history successfully. Also, the browser notification showed me that I had successfully. Thanks for watching.